Welcome back for another Quant price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Quant continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is still acting as support for us to continue gearing up to the upper side of this price channel that we have been trading within, which has been well respected, giving us more than 3 touch points. And in case we continue gearing up, we can hit the upper side of the channel and possibly get a breakout to the upper side and also get a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can easily see Quant continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $95 mark. Alternatively, in case we lose the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart and continue seeing further breakdown on the charts, then that will be suggesting that Quant might see further weakness on to the lower side of the channel, where we can find support and get another bounce back to the upper side of the channel. But in case that doesn't play out and we hit the lower side of the channel and also see a breakout to the lower side, then that will be suggesting one more new low between the $80 mark and the $90 mark here on the Quant chart. And in case such a movement plays out, then I think that will be another perfect entry to get back into Quant and start to DCA. And that is not financial advice. And to also share my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Quant chart and give you reasons why I'm holding at least one QNT token. Here on the daily chart, I will be discussing my long-term Elliot wave analysis. And zooming out on the chart so that you can see that better, you can see that we saw the all-time high at around the $430 mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a breakdown move where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we started gearing up, where we picked in an impulse in this 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we then started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum target areas for the second wave that I have highlighted here on the chart using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $135.8 mark and the $82.2 mark. And there are high chances that QNT has now given us a low for the second wave, and we can see a reaction of this target area and start getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3. And in case such a movement doesn't play out and we continue seeing further weakness on the charts, then that will be suggesting that QNT is going to fully maximize this target area and give us one more new low between the $80 mark and the $90 mark. And once that plays out, then from that point we can start looking on the charts to get to see whether we can see a 5-wave structure to the upper side, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And such a movement will be signaling that there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and we are now getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Quant chart. And once we get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3, I'm expecting Quant to get above the $390 mark, and that is based on the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $396.4 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on, and I hope that video was of much help to you. And if it was, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership.